Well, on this one, I want to teach you two ways to make fading background, how to blend your picture with fade colors, like color something fade. How to teach you fading, two ways of fading your picture to fit into your background. Okay, the first one is very easy, so let's go. Let me change this to let me change it to black, or let me change to pink, any of these. Now we put now we put an image. Alright, and maybe I want to write the text, anything here. So this is the first step to follow. Go to shape, then pick your shape, then go to gradient. Choose any of the gradient that you want to use. This, you choose the color. Choose a color. Then this one, choose a color. You see, we choose a color, same color. You see, he's here. You look, this one, drag it to this end. That is this one here, drag it to this end. You have something like this. Isn't it? You can use this color bar to like adjust it, but I want it to be like this. Then you check like this. And we watch discovering a large end of the listing, of which I don't want it to be like that. I don't want it to be like that, so I'll go to edit, do it this way. But this color is not matching anything here. It's not matching anything here. Okay, use any color of your choice to match. If you're watching, it's not matching anything here. Let me see. Let me change the color. Go to gradient. Just okay. I believe you saw what I did. This is how to call. This is the first step of having a faded color, a faded blending of picture. Yes, now you can write any text you want to write here. Any text you want to write, you can write it there. Alright, let me test. Let me just. So that is the first way of having a faded color. That is the first way to having a faded color. Alright, let me just show you the second one. The second one, you go to shape, collect the shape, then increase the stroke, turn it to white or any color you want it to be. Let's white this time. It's white. Then you go to the blur radius at the downside, increase stroke, change the color to any color of your choice, then increase the blur radius. Okay, after you have clicked it, then you go to shadow effect, increase it, the blur radius to the highest, which is 25, then change the color to white too, then inner shadow increase this to 25, then the color white. So if you're using a color, make sure you're using all the color all through for the stroke of the shape when you were importing the shape. Then inner shadow the same color, outer shadow the same color. Then you can drag until you have the faded color of your choice. You can see it. Since it's too cloudy, what you now do, you reduce the opacity. See it now. These are the two ways to have faded color in Pixellab. There may be other way by importing already made PNG that you downloaded, but these are two ways you can do it without downloading anything. Thank you for watching. God bless you.